OWON XDM1041 supports a variety of test functions, including DC voltage, AC voltage, DC current, AC current, resistance, continuity, diode test, capacitance, frequency measurement, temperature, max mean average measurement, relative value measurement, test resistance, test capacitance, test DC voltage of battery. In the dual display mode, we can measure AC voltage, or current, and frequency at the same time. In the record mode, we can monitor the measured object and record data changes. For example, now we are testing the voltage changes. Sets the number of recording points to 60. Sets the time interval to half a second. Click Start. The multimeter will automatically record and store the measured values every half a second. We can come back to check the record after some time. Connecting to your computer via USB port, you can also save the data in CSV format for further analysis.